Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an ultimate luxury SUV battle. On one side, we have the king of luxury, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. And on the other side, we have the powerful and aggressive BMW XM Label Red. One SUV is all about ultra-luxury and comfort. The other SUV is about performance and sporty power. So which one is better? Let's find out. Exterior design first. Let's talk about the design. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan looks royal and elegant. It has a massive front grille, the famous Spirit of Ecstasy logo, and a very clean, classy body shape. When this car comes on the road, everyone notices it. It looks like pure wealth and status. Now look at the BMW XM Label Red. This SUV looks bold and aggressive. It has sharp LED headlights, a sporty body kit, red accents, and huge wheels. It looks more like a performance machine than a traditional luxury SUV. If you want classy and royal style, Cullinan wins. If you like sporty and modern design, XM Label Red looks better. 2. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk about power. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan comes with a 675-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. It produces around 563 horsepower. The drive is very smooth and silent. You don't feel speed. It just glides on the road. The BMW XM Label Red is a beast. It has a hybrid V8 engine that produces around 748 horsepower. Yes, 748 horsepower. That is supercar level power. It accelerates much faster than the Cullinan. BMW. For smooth luxury driving, Cullinan is perfect. For speed and performance, XM Label Red is the clear winner. Interior and comfort now. This is where things get very interesting. Inside the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, everything feels handmade. Premium leather, real wood, starlight headliner on the roof, and ultra-comfortable seats. It feels like a private jet inside. The rear seats are extremely comfortable. Now inside the BMW XM Label Red, you get a sporty and modern interior. It has carbon fiber, ambient lighting, a curved digital display, and red sporty details. It looks futuristic and high-tech. Cullinan is more luxurious and relaxing. The XM is more sporty and tech-focused. If you want the ultimate comfort experience, Rolls-Royce wins here. The 4. Technology and features. The BMW XM Label Red is packed with modern technology. It has a large curved infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, advanced driver assistance systems, and hybrid driving modes. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan also has advanced technology, but it focuses more on comfort than flashy screens. Everything works smoothly, but the feeling is more classic than sporty. For latest tech and sporty features, BMW wins. For traditional luxury experience, Rolls-Royce wins. Rolls-Royce wins. Price comparison. Now let's talk about money. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan starts at over $350,000 and can go much higher with custom options. The BMW XM Label Red starts around $185,000 to $200,000. That means Cullinan costs almost double. BMW gives more performance for less money. Rolls-Royce gives unmatched luxury and status. 6. Final verdict. So, which one should you choose? If you want maximum luxury, royal presence, ultimate comfort, VIP experience, then choose the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. But if you want massive power, sporty driving, modern technology, lower price compared to Rolls, then BMW XM Label Red is perfect. Both SUVs are amazing in their own way. One is a luxury king, and the other is a performance monster. So guys, which one would you choose? Rolls-Royce Cullinan or BMW XM Label Red? Comment below and tell me your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car comparisons. See you in the next video. That is